J. the Damager. And it goes like this. For all your new jacks that never heard me spit, bring beats, rhymes, and freaks and watch me split it. Bang like Bloods and Crips, too legitimate to quit. MCs talk big, but sonic waves crack your helmet. Prolong the chicken heads, crush they pelvic bones. I blow up spots, slam microphones. Thinking about bass and dog or just your tone. Up rhyming, I leave your eyes shining like chrome. Rims, main course, knuckle sandwich and tins. Try and wet me, I multiply like gremlins. I'm a vet in the game, I know the outs and ins. Still I'm constantly beefing like cowboys and Indians. Outlaw star, like Gene Star win. Kick in that crazy dish like a soccer hooligan. So money, break yourself, you know it's good for your health. Call me ninja, not in, cause I move in stealth mode. After this joint, your headphones explode. I rhyme in beeps and blips so I can rhyme in Morse code. Flow like ocean, salt water erode. When the mic is in my grip, it's sure to corrode. And I glide across the beat like Jordan. Leave competition holy like a Mormon. Potent as dust, I have you all stumbling. Smoke too much, you space the fuck out like Flash Gordon. Rocked it from morning to morning. It's so hot it had rappers wanna stop recording. Sort of a Superman, so Lois Lane reporting. Swing like Spidey, so chumps hate me like J. Jonah Jameson. If I miss, I take aim again. Throwing fire like the Human Torch, leaving y'all at the flaming. Play your fucking self if you think I'm gaming. Create earthquakes that have your core trembling. Be number 9 like the love potion. Can't clock my moves, cause I move in slow motion. And it goes like this. Verses of doom from J. the Damager. Verses of doom from J. the Damager. And it goes like this. Verses of doom from J. the Damager. Verses of doom from J. the Damager.